your 5-day forecast errors next year would be equivalent to 3-day forecast errors right now. So you kind of are getting like 2 extra days
Yeah.
forecasting performance. So I think at least we should see like over the next couple of years, we should be able to push the accuracies to like 3 days, basically. So like a day ahead forecast, a 3-day ahead forecast, and then the near future will have similar errors as a day ahead forecast does right now.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I think, 5 years ago, that probably felt impossible
Yeah.
to be at that point.
Yeah, I think that's the part where like there's a big democratization that AI enabled in this space, which is kind of unlike some of the other LLM domains in some ways. Like the models are honestly still not very big. There is a lot of scaling to do on the modeling side as well here, but the existing supercomputing infrastructure required, which could only be built by the government, in some ways slowed down progress because only the government could do it. But that has changed now. And now, like small players like us can actually innovate a lot more quickly and actually deliver these things a lot more quickly as well.